Nonna Pia,
Yeah.
che stai fa?
Or Ciambotta.
Ciambotta.
Yeah.
People don't know what that is. You got to tell them. What is that?
I put 2 little potatoes, 1 onions, a little piece of celery. Now, and 1 zucchini.
Okay.
Now I put a eggplant.
Okay. You cut it up nice?
That's it.
So everything's cut up.
Everything mix it up.
Mix
Now
it
put a little bit of oil.
Uh-huh.
Olive oil.
That's vino.
No,
Yeah, that is.
I use the bottle.
Oh.
I put a little salt. The sauce I made the other day with the tomatoes.
Your sauce.
And then I put one of my sauce, but before that I put really fresh tomatoes.
Oh.
I make because I want to make la pizza.
Okay. Fresh sug.
See, yes.
So you put fresh tomatoes in there
See,
too?
it's fresh tomato.
I see, I see.
I make because I was going to make pizza.
Ah.
That's it.
That's it. Just enough sauce.
Romano cheese, I'm going to put a little bit, not too much.
Okay.
Look, this much.
All right, just that much.
And I cook it slow.
Slow now. How long? I know, I like this too. It's good for you too, right?
Yeah, it's vegetable.
All vegetables.
And I'm cooking a chicken leg for the dog. Yeah.
Can't forget about the dog. She cooks for everyone, people, everyone, even the dog.
And even the dog.
Let's check on it.
Ooh, ciambotta.
Ciambotta.
It's all vegetable.
Yeah.
Potatoes, eggplant, onions, zucchini, and celery.
Perfect. Easy. Everyone can make this.
Oh,
And it's all done. Ready to eat.
what taste?
Uh-huh.
It's better. Good.
You gonna feed me?
It's hot.
All right. Oh! Hot.
I told you that.
That's good.